Every year, millions of people around the world welcome a special month with prayer, kindness, and self control. They wake up before sunrise, share meals with family, help people in need, and spend more time thinking about life and faith. This month is called Ramzan. But where did Ramzan begin? Why do people fast? And why is this month so meaningful for so many communities? In this video, you will learn the origin of Ramazan in simple and clear English. This is the story of faith, history, and positive change. Stay until the end to understand how Ramzan started and why it continues to inspire millions of people today. Part 1. What is Ramzan? Ramzan is the ninth month of the Islamic calendar. Muslims around the world observe this month by fasting from dawn until sunset. Fasting means not eating or drinking during daylight hours. It also means trying to improve behavior, speak kindly, and focus on good actions. Ramzan is a time for spiritual growth. Many people pray more often, read the Quran, give charity, and spend time with family. It is a month of patience, gratitude, and reflection. To understand why Ramzan is so important, we need to look back in history. More than 1400 years ago, in the city of Makkah, lived a man known for honesty and kindness. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He often spent time thinking deeply about life and the world. He would go to a quiet cave in the mountains to pray and reflect. During one of these moments of reflection, something very important happened. According to Islamic belief, the first message from God was revealed to him during the month of Ramzan. This message was delivered by the angel Jibril and became the beginning of holy book known as the Quran. This first revelation made the month of Ramadan very special. It became a time connected with guidance, learning, and spiritual connection. Part 3. The early Muslim community. After the first revelation, the message of Islam slowly spread. People began to learn and follow the teachings of Quran. The early Muslim community faced many challenges, but they stayed strong and patient. Later, the community moved from Mecca to the city of Medina. During this time, fasting is Ramzan became an important practice. It was taught as a way to build self-control, empathy, and awareness of others. Fasting helps people understand the feelings of those who have less. It encourages kindness, generosity, and gratitude. Over time, fasting during Ramzan became one of the five pillars of Islam, which are the main acts of worship in the faith. Part 4. The purpose of fasting. Fasting in Ramzan is not only about staying away from food and drink, it is also about improving character. People try to be patient, avoid negative behavior, and focus on positive actions. During the day, people continue their normal work and responsibilities. They may go to school, work, or take care of family. Their fast is a reminder to stay mindful and grateful. At sunset, the fast is broken with a meal called iftar. Families and friends gather together to share food. Many communities also provide meals for those who need help. This creates a strong sense of unity and care. Before sunrise, people wake up for a pre-dawn meal called sahur. This meal helps prepare for the day ahead. These daily routines bring people together and create a sense of discipline and balance. Part 5. Prayer and Reflection. During Ramzan, prayer becomes even more important. Many people perform additional prayers at night. They also read the Quran more often and try to complete it during the month. Ramzan is a time to reflect on actions and make positive changes. People try to forgive others, help those in need, and improve their habits. It is a time to think about what truly matters. Giving charity is also a central part of Ramzan. Helping others is strongly encouraged people donate money, share food, and support community projects. These actions help create compassion and unity. Part 6. The Night of Power. One of the most meaningful moments in Ramzan is a special night called Laylatul Qadr. This night is believed to be when the first revelation of Quran took place. Many people spend this night in prayer, reflection, and quiet worship. The exact date is not known, but it is usually observed during the last 10 nights of Ramzan. People believe that good actions and prayers during this night carry great value. This part of Ramzan reminds people to stay hopeful, patient, and thankful. Month comes a joyful celebration called Eid al-Fitr. This day marks the completion of fasting. People gather for a special prayer in the morning and spend time with family and friends. Before Eid begins, many people give a special charity to help those in need. This ensures that everyone can join in the celebration. On Eid, people wear clean clothes, visit loved ones, and share meals. Eid is a time of happiness, gratitude, and community after a month of discipline and reflection. Part 8. Ramzan around the world. Ramzan is observed in many different countries and cultures. While the core practices remain the same, each place has unique traditions. Some communities decorate homes and streets, others prepare traditional foods or hold community gatherings. Despite these cultural differences, the main purpose of Ramzan remains consistent: spiritual growth, kindness, patience, and connection with faith. Ramzan brings people together. Families share meals, communities support each other, and many people feel a stronger sense of purpose. The origin of Ramzan is deeply connected to faith and history. It reminds people of guidance, patience, and compassion. For many, Ramzan is a time to reset, reflect, and grow. The lesson of Ramzan, kindness, self control, gratitude, and generosity, are values that can be practiced throughout the year. And this is why Ramzan continues to inspire millions of people across the world. Understanding the origin of Ramzan helps us appreciate its meaning. It is a month that encourages positive change and stronger connections with others. Ramzan began more than 1400 years ago with a moment of revelation and guidance. Over time, it became a month of fasting, prayer, and reflection. Today, it remains one of the most meaningful times of the year for millions of people. Its origin is a story of faith, patience, and hope. It reminds us of the importance of kindness, gratitude, and community. This was the origin of Ramzan, explained in simple English. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more through clear and meaningful content, continue watching and practicing with stories like this. Sometimes the most powerful traditions begin with a simple moment of reflection and grow into something that inspires the world.